Hi everyone, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making some shrimp dumplings. For that you need 1 pound of shrimp, 1 full cup of shredded cabbage, 1 tablespoon of shredded grated ginger, salt, pepper, sesame seed oil, 1 tablespoon, and 1 teaspoon of rice vinegar. You want to add all that to the food processor, except the cabbage. The cabbage, you don't need to do anything with it yet, just because it's already shredded. So you add everything in, the grated ginger, salt, and pepper. And then you just want to go ahead and pulse this together about maybe 10 pulses. Yeah, so you just add the sesame seed oil in there as well and the rice vinegar. The sesame seed oil gives it a really great taste. I think that's actually what gives it that extra kick that it needs. Okay, perfect. And then just pulse it about 10 times. And then you should come out with some minced shrimp. This is a simple dinner to make. Takes only about altogether maybe 20 minutes. And you're able to make about 26 dumplings with this 1 pound of shrimp mixture that we have here. So there you go. There you have it. It's all mixed. Add this all to a bowl. And then add your shredded cabbage as well and mix it all up together. This will be the filling for the wonton wrappers, the dumplings. Yeah, so just mix it all up. You can use your hands or you can use a spatula, whatever you feel more comfortable with. And yeah, get it all mixed up. This tastes exactly like, your local dumpling restaurant. It's actually really good, quick and easy, like I said. And you just need a few ingredients. It doesn't take much. So yeah, once you have it all incorporated and mixed up, then you bring over your wontons. And I'm gonna do the star method closing. So what it is basically is you just grab all the corners of the wontons after you put water on all the edges just to make sure that it sticks. You grab all the corners and you put all the corners together, and that gives you the star. This is one of the most simple wonton wrappers. And then at that point, that's it. You got yourself a star, and it's quick and it's easy. It looks really complicated, but really it's not. It's very simple. So again, just put 1 teaspoon in the middle of the wonton, add the water on the edges, and then bring all corners to the middle, and just pinch along, make sure there's no holes or anything. And then, yeah, so here it is. I was able to make 26 wontons with this mixture. Yeah. So join me at the end when you're done. You can pause it here and fill yours up, and then we can move on to the steamer. Okay, so I have a double boiler here. So if you don't, you can use the bamboo steamers that are usually made for this. And I just like to, I cut out one little square piece, or however big your steamer is. You just want to fill it with either baking sheet or wax paper. Whatever you have is fine. And just put as many as you possibly can without overcrowding the pot. And you just want to boil this on medium to high heat for about 6 minutes, and that's all it needs. 6 minutes, and then they're done. And you have to do this in batches, and also you want to eat it as soon as you're done making it. You don't want to, leave them and they get cold, and it's not great like that. They're best served right away hot. Yeah, so here they are. They're done because of the wilted wontons. Also, shrimp doesn't really take that long to cook, and you don't want to overcook it because then it'll get chewy. So there you have it. So I just added it with a little bit of soy sauce here or any dip of your choice. And there you have it, guys. Thanks for joining me, and stay tuned for more.